Today we're gonna make this beautiful flower wall hanging. To do this, we need yellow, sky blue, orange, brown and pink colored papers, plus a scissor, a sketch pen and a glue. First, take a sky blue paper and cut this shape from it. After that, cut a piece from the orange paper and make a flower. Then, do the same with the white paper but make the white flower a bit smaller. Now glue them on top of each other and draw shades with the sketch pen. After that, take the brown paper and cut a heart shape from it. Then make another from the white paper but make it smaller. Now take the orange paper and do the same. And at last, make the smallest heart from the white paper. Now take the sky blue paper and cut a ribbon from it. Then take the yellow and the pink paper and make a flower as shown in the video. And now that you know how to make all the shapes and flowers, it's time to glue the shapes on the design. If you like this video, then consider subscribing to this channel, share it with your friends who are interested about this types of arts. And just like this, I'll see you next time with another video.